Hello guys and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so today is Sunday and JAMB registration. That's what I want to notify you. If you're still thinking about registering for JAMB registration is closing in 6 days time. That is on the 8th of March on Saturday, this coming Saturday. Hopefully there will be an extension. If you have any, you want to change your subject combination, you made mistakes there, please kindly make sure you are at the CBT center tomorrow to effect those changes. Are you with me? If you are still having profile code issues, please do contact me to help you out. All right, so you can register and move on. If you are having user, you use user to generate your profile code, you need to convert it back so you can generate your pin to register. Contact me, there's a solution for it. Okay, don't just stay isolated. I want you guys to share so you can help someone. All right, so registration is closing in 6 days time on the 8th of March. Hopefully there's an extension. Hopefully you get, I just hope that there's an extension to the registration, at least some days added to it. All right, but please, I want you to step on it. Kindly go to, I think today some CBT centers might be closed, all right, or open, but Monday make sure you are in a CBT center first thing in the morning. All right, so that's what I just want to notify you about. Your mock exams is on the 5th of April. That's when you're going to take your mock exams. I know some of you be asking that I've registered already. How will I know my center? A lot of people have been asking me, how will I know my center? How would I know the day I'm going to sit for the examination and all that? Don't worry. From the 18th of April, it will be announced. So be on the DTW groups. When JAMB immediately announced that go and print your exam slip, I will show you how to print your exam slip. Okay? There's a method I know of which was done the same way it was done last year. But right now, we also have to wait on JAMB to know which method you're going to use to check your center. But I feel it's just a link which I will share on the group and also share how you can check it. Okay, so make sure you're on DTW groups. And what else? So your mock slip will also be ready before the 5th of April. So you go print it. Please, your mock is not the main exam. All right, so don't get comfortable after taking mock, or don't get sad after taking mock because you see a bad result, or you get comfortable when you see a very good result. No, your main exam, that is what you are going to use. So prep for your main exams. All right, so that's it. So main exams from the 25th of April to the 5th of May. So your date will fall in between any of those days. I know you'll be asking me, when will my results be out, after I sit for exam? Mostly, let's say people that start for 25th, the first day or the first week, it's usually 2 weeks, 3 weeks max, you get your results. So in the month of May, everyone, you should see your results, and I would also announce to you how to check your results. Okay, so don't worry, just follow DTW, follow us, be on our groups. You'll be instantly notified, and there are resources I'm going to be sharing with you this week, so make sure you stay tuned. The resources to help you. If you also want to, if you want to join our online classes for March, please do come join us. All right, this is the winning train you have to be in. All right, after you finish your live classes online with your teachers, you come into the WhatsApp group, you continue study, brainstorming sessions. Okay, so come, you've seen the testimonies all around. 338, 309, you can do it. You are destined to win. All right, if you don't want to join our online classes, which is 7,000 naira monthly, you can get the DTW JAMB CBT app. It costs 4,000 naira to activate, to use all your past questions. The DTW JAMB CBT app contains your digital past questions. You know, all those your paper book past questions you buy from a bookshop, everything typed into the app with a lot of feature to help you navigate, to help you search and filter questions on a particular topic, and several features. You can download it on Google Play Store, and very soon it will be on Apple iStore, iPhone, iStore. It will be on your Apple Store. All right, so please download and activate. It's 4,000 naira a year to practice for your exam. All right, so you are destined to win. Don't forget that. Don't give up. And finally, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth and he's the life. Come to him today. He's waiting. In him is everything powerful. Are you with me? Everything that you are looking for in this earth is in Jesus. Every package, come to him today. Okay, he's waiting for you. You are blessed and you are destined to win. I encourage you to join the online classes, because when you join the online classes, you are closer to me, because I meet them frequently, talk to them, pray with them, guide them on things to do. All right, there's a video I just posted, I think last night, on the meeting we had. I just had to share it because I knew I wanted to help others. All right, because when we do our meetings, our in-house seminars, I record them, and for those that miss, to also watch. Okay, and if you're joining our classes, you have access to all our class videos right from November. You can sit down and watch it like your Netflix. Are you with me? And cover all your syllabus throughout. We're almost done. All right, so we're almost done with our syllabus on our live classes. So we now started brainstorming session from the beginning of the syllabus on the WhatsApp group. So come join us today. You can't lose. You can't fail with DTW. You are destined to win. Come join us. All right, thank you, and see you soon. See you soon. Please share this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and like the video. All right, you are blessed and you are destined to win. See you soon.